So, since the last time I was here, I've made some progress. We were short on some silica, so I didn't make a video yesterday. We got that today, and I've been mixing up some filler, that kind of thing with this. We got resin, silica, and some crushed fiber that I'm mixing up, and I've essentially got these stringers in the floor underneath. I didn't really get to show you, but there's a behind the stringer, there's the deck underneath that I replaced, and then the other side of the stringer here. I'm going to come back tomorrow and install the transom piece, which is here, and these two stringer pieces, which are all prepped and ready to go in, aside from time. So this is where I'm at right now, and I'll be here tomorrow, which is Saturday. I'll install these other things, and then Monday when I come back, do some grinding and lay up the glass, and that should pretty much call it. I'm not sure if these guys are actually gonna put gel coat or not. If they do, you know, I could probably do that at the same time I lay the fiber up. Keeps everything going hot. So, you know, that's pretty much it. Until next time.